this is Dan Kuster with Quality Edge, and today I'm going to walk you through the installation steps of Vesta Plank steel siding. So you got to start with the details first with Vesta. Before we get going, we're going to get all of our outside corner posts in. We'll have some J to do a little bit later. This is our slim outside corner piece. It makes it really nice because we have just one nail flange and it can receive the other end and then also receive our facing end. We're going to put this on the corner and then we'll slide our Vesta plank into there. When we install corners, accessories, J channel for Vesta, we're going to nail all that tight. It's going to be different than how we install the Vesta panel, but we'll get to that later. So we've snapped the line and now we're going to install our starter strip. It's key to make sure this is really level as we get going with the Vesta plank. Now Vesta has a unique starter. On this one, you're going to want to see this hem side sticking out facing you. What's unique about it is the male end of the Vesta panel will fit right into this receiving end of the starter. Next step is installing our matching Vesta J channel around the window. We also make a drip cap that you can add to the top of the windows or doors. So when you're cutting metal siding, specifically for Vesta, you're going to want to use a ferrous metal cutting blade. Typically we recommend something with an 80-tooth blade, something that's lower RPMs, because if you're using a grinder or anything else at a high RPM range, it'll grind off the galvanization in the Vesta plank, and that can ruin warranty. Now we're going to install Vesta panels. Vesta has 6 different wood grain profiles in one color. So we number the panels 1 through 6. You'll see it on the top nailing flange. And what you want to do is make sure you're not stacking those numbers right on top of each other. We want to look like a wood floor would, have some variation in it. So this is a 6. I stacked it on top of a 2. And below here is a 1. Vesta's really easy to install, so when I'm putting this in, I'm going to slide it into the J and nest it right into the bottom there. Not all walls are going to be straight, so we want to have this nail sticking out a little bit so it floats that and makes it a smooth outside panel. So when we're nailing in Vesta, the key thing is to not over nail it. Like the accessories, we can nail those tight, but the planks, we want to have a little give so we can slide this panel back and forth. So before I put in the next piece, I want to make sure I'm not matching up numbers. So I have a 1 here, I have a 6 here, and I cut a 4. This will provide a nice variegation on the wall. So the key to installing this, when I go factory end to factory end for my overlap, we're going to slide it tight, and then I want to go back about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch. That allows room for expansion and contraction.